Well, good morning, guys. It is about 10 past 7. As you'll see in the time lapse and all the other stuff going on, I've had my breakfast, pretty much packed up camp now. I was up nice and early again, as usual. I did go to bed about, 8:30, so to get up around 5, that's like, 9 or 10 hours, which is plenty of sleep. But on saying that, though, my sleep was a bit rough. Like, it was comfortable still. It was very still last night, so I kept tossing and turning, and it was very stuffy. Even though it started to chill, like it started to get cold at one stage, it reminded me of Tony's Bend. Tony's Bend was the same, where, Tony's Bend had a breeze. Like, there's a breeze now, and it sometimes came through last night, but most of the time, it was just still and a bit stuffy. So I just remember tossing and turning a lot. But I obviously got to sleep, so whatever. But yeah, sound of the birds this morning going ballistic. We had had to laugh just before bed. We had these kookaburras nearby, and these two birds were just going nuts. And I just had to laugh with them. It was just funny. It's like it's all peace and quiet, and then these two kookaburras are going silly. But yeah, they all started up in this morning. Same with all the other birds. Nature's back at it again. Absolutely love it. And it was peaceful too last night. No noise from anybody. All the rowdies had gone, so it was just us. Once again, as you know, I'm in no rush to go home. Even though I've packed up camp. Like, many of you say, well, why do you pack up camp so quick if you're in no rush and you don't have to get out of here? You're only on a 45-minute drive. Why would you pack up so quickly? It's just like, well, I don't need the swag anymore. If I don't need it, why have it left out, kind of thing. I'll just gradually pack it away, so then when I am ready to go, I'll just get in the car and go, kind of thing. Rightio. We've done a little drive out. We're now at the day use area. First thing to note, look at this. Absolute pigs. You're just going to leave your bloody lounger rubbish. A vape and rubbish. Fucking pigs. Absolute pigs. I'm going to go find a bin. Oh, because the bin's over there. Because they couldn't be bothered going to the bin, they just leave it on the path there. What the hell? Anyway, I'm going to go put this in the bin. We'll continue our walk. Now's the time to come down here because it is peaceful and quiet. From what I understand, there's no one here. I like these early mornings. Like back at camp, there was a few people stirring around as I was packing up. I want to know is how people can sleep in. Like, I just can't do it. Look at that. More rubbish. And a water bottle. And a towel. And there's no one here. I don't understand, guys. Why would you come to a place like this just to be a pig? To make a mess. Throw rubbish everywhere. Like a towel. Why do you leave a towel here? I just don't get it. Understandably, there are no rubbish bins nearby. You know, I had to walk to the entrance to go to that big bin. But is that an excuse to litter? No. Don't be pigs. Just don't get it. A couple of towels, water bottle. Now would be a good time to get the boat out again. Good little launch spot right here. That means dragging out all the stuff because the boat's underneath everything. Yeah, not this time round, maybe next time. Now would be the perfect time though because there's no one here to have this whole place to myself. I feel so tempted, but I don't think it's going to, I don't want to drag everything out of the car just to pump the boat up. Oh well, always another time. Maybe I should just come here for a day trip, not necessarily a camp. Just come here early and get out on the water here, the boat. Anyway guys, I'm going to leave this adventure at that. As always, thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And I'll see you guys next time on the next adventure.